जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं.
Paramahamsa Nityananda is a rare living incarnation, a yogi by birth. He has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English, books in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese, with translations in 26 languages are available. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 8,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services, ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world offer exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. Having meditation centers in 151 countries including Bidadi, Tiruvannamalai, Rajapalyam, Salem, Hyderabad, Varanasi, Los Angeles, Ohio, Seattle, San Jose and Phoenix. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation. A contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers. Adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, he has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands, gracing them with spiritual powers. A spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples worldwide in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places like Bangalore, Hyderabad and Tiruvannamalai in India. A dynamic young guru who is an inspiration to thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online. A beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं वन्दे शान्तमयं बन्धं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दगन्धसञ्चारं सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्तं वन्दे ज्ञानालयं नाथं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्
पूर्यमाणम् अचलं प्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत्.
Even if you have depression, there is every possibility you can be saved if your ego is not supporting your depression. If your ego is supporting your depression, you will not listen to the Krishna's teachings. You will not listen to the Master's teachings. You will listen only to the teacher who is ready to support your depression, your understanding, your ambition, your ideas, your thoughts. Even if the teacher is trying to move a little away from your conclusions, you will shout at them. In the next sutras, you will see the drama. During the fight, Duryodhana is disrespecting, abusing his own mentors, Bhishma and Drona, saying that you guys are not fighting the war with full heart. You guys are not using all the capacity, efficiency. Duryodhana is the depression supported by the ego. I tell you, the worst thing can happen to a jiva, soul. The worst mess he can create for himself is supporting his depression by his ego. Depression itself is not wrong. But while you expect your own solution and expect me to support your solution, you are in a big soup. You can't be saved. Naturally, you will start searching for a drona, for a teacher who will support your ego, who will fulfill your ego. By fulfilling ego, you can never walk out of depression. I tell you, depression itself takes away the capacity to think, takes away the logic which functions, the logic which is responsible for you to understand dharma, adharma. When the balance is lost, when the tool which makes you discriminate between the dharma and dharma is lost, naturally you will perish because you are standing in dharma kshetra. You are standing in dharma kshetra. When your logic to discriminate dharma, adharma perishes by your depression, and you do not go to a master who will crack your depression, you go to a teacher who will support your ego, which is supporting your depression, how do you expect you will win? Only when you stand with the master who knows about moksha, only when a master who knows about moksha stands by you, you can even understand dharma. Depression supported by ego is poison injected through the teeth. If the teeth is removed, the teeth is not there, even if the poison is there, it neither kills the snake nor kills somebody else. Looking at the Pandavas' army, Duryodhana falls into depression. Looking at the Duryodhana's army, Arjuna falls into depression. Both jivas, both souls are unable to take the responsibility. I tell you, everybody who enters into the war at one point feels that they are not able to take the responsibility for the decisions they made. In this sutra, the secret for individual peace and global peace is there. Sanjaya says, Drushvadu Pandavanikam Yudam Duryodhanastata Acharya Mupasangamya Raja Vachanam Apravit. O king, looking at the Pandava army in full formation, Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke. He is reminding Dhritarashtra, still you are king. He is using the word, O king, means he is reminding the responsibility to Dhritarashtra. Understand, still Duryodhana is not dead. You are the king. And he is going to Drona for consultation. First thing he says, O king, means you are responsible. Second thing he says, Duryodhana is alive. Third thing he says, he is in depression. Fourth statement he makes is, in depression, he is going to Drona, his mentor, for advice, for consultation. The line which he want to say but could not say because the viewer is biased is, "Oh, Dhritarashtra, call Duryodhana now and tell him to talk to Krishna. Go to the master." Even now, there is time for some Duryodhanas. You can talk to Krishna, not to Dronas. The next sutra continues. The third sutra in the chapter 1. In chapter 1, third verse. Pasyaidam Panduputranam Acharya Mahadinchamom Vyudam Drupada Putrena Tava Sishyena Dhimata. O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, arrayed for battle by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada. Duryodhana is referring to Drona very pointedly. He is trying to awaken the hatred, violence, vengeance in Drona's mind by saying, "O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, arrayed for battle by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada." He says, "See, without foresight, you trained your own potential killer, Drishtadyumna, your own disciple, who is now opposing you."
Discover the secrets of health and wealth in one package. For the first time, a 2-day health and wealth workshop by Paramahamsa Nityananda. 100% healing for a range of ailments. Wipe out illness from body, mind and being. Awaken your body's natural intelligence and healing powers. Overcome stress and powerfully resolve your wealth-related conflicts. Discover the secrets of creating and celebrating wealth.
Let me tell you step by step how you build the patterns. First, the memory. Morning 7 o'clock, coffee is very nice. After 1 month, it becomes samskara, engram. Morning 7 o'clock, I should have coffee. After 1 year, it becomes muscle memory. Means morning 7 o'clock, if I don't get coffee, I will feel little low mood. I will feel low, feel little irritated.
dynamic, interactive awareness sessions that reveal the secrets of a perfect health and having abundance in wealth.
I will have headache. That is biomemory. After 6, 7 years or 10 years, really one day you are caught somewhere, you are not able to get coffee and having headache, rolling on the ground. That is DNA level. Now understand how the memory becomes samskara, engram. Engram becomes pattern. Pattern becomes muscle memory. Muscle memory becomes biomemory. Biomemory becomes DNA level pattern.
Intense meditations and kriyas that holistically instill a transformed health and wealth consciousness in you. At Baroda from March 24th to March 25th, 2012. Contact 91-851-11-25239.
Who is now leading the army against you? It was as though Duryodhana is warning Drona. Not only that, trying to tease Drona. Please understand, when your depression is supported by ego, even if you go for consultation, you will tell your teacher before itself what kind of advice you want. Many times people come to me and they say they are in a big problem and they themselves give the solution and they just want my attachment. No, people come. They come with their problem and they are ready with their solution. They just want my signature. No, autograph. They will take my autograph and use that as signature. Many times I have seen people ask for autograph. When I give the autograph, they use that as a signature. Autograph was given for a different purpose. Signature is given for a different purpose. Even though both of them look same, but with the purpose, when the purpose is different, it is called autograph or signature. Duryodhana goes to Drona for autograph, not for signature. Teachers will give their autograph and will not bother when you use that as a signature. But masters will be very clear between autograph and signature. That is why my autograph is totally different, my signature is totally different. Autograph is given for a different purpose. Signature is given for a different purpose. Here, Duryodhana goes to Drona and vomits his anger on Drona and does not expect Drona's consultation. He is trying to intimidate Drona. He is trying to tell Drona what to do. He is trying to tell, see, what have you done? Your own death is imminent. Save yourself by saving me. But when Arjuna goes to Krishna, he says, why should we kill them? Why should we kill all these people? It's okay, Krishna. Why not we leave it? Understand, the depression not supported by ego, how that works, and the depression supported by ego, how that works. Arjuna is not saying, oh Krishna, see, you gave your own army to Duryodhana and he is coming up with your own army to kill you. Which is true. Please understand, all the army standing in the side of Duryodhana, waiting to kill Arjuna and Krishna are Krishna's army. Do you know the fact? Duryodhana goes to Krishna, Arjuna also goes to Krishna before the war, and both of them are trying to take the help from Krishna. You should know the whole scene. It's very funny scene. On the same day exactly, same time, Arjuna and Duryodhana, both of them reach Krishna's house, asking for Krishna's help. The story says, Krishna is an Ananta Sayana, means fellow is planning for a big mischief. He sleeping. How can he sleep? He is an Ananta Sayana in his swing. Arjuna goes, sits at the feet of Krishna, as usual, humble. He has come for help. Duryodhana goes, he feels, why? Why should I sit at the feet? He sits near the head. But the fool does not realize when Krishna opens his eyes, he is going to see the person who is sitting at the feet first, not the person who is sitting near the head. The ego is such, he does not even want to sit near the feet of Krishna, even though he wants the help of Krishna. His ego, I am king. Why should I sit at the feet? He sits at the head. Krishna slowly opens his eyes, ensuring that Duryodhana is sitting at the head. Slowly opens his eyes, looks at the Arjuna. Oh Arjuna, when did you come? What a drama. As if he does not know what is happening in his room. He sees Arjuna and asks Arjuna, what do you want? Why did you come all the way to see me? Arjuna says, you know there is going to be war. I want your help. First Krishna says, I give you the promise, I will help you. Then suddenly Duryodhana wakes up and jumps in front of the Krishna and says, oh Krishna, I also came for your help. Then suddenly he says, oh, you are here. Oh Duryodhana, when did you come? Oh Duryodhana, you were also here. Oh, I did not see. What for you came? What can I do for you? You are a king. Duryodhana says, you know there is going to be a war. I want your help. Krishna says, surely I will do whatever I can. Because I already promised Arjuna first. I will fulfill his promise and then your promise also. So the choice goes to Arjuna first. Krishna says, I will be one side and my whole army will be the other side, whom I trained to fight, who knows all the art, archery, handling weapon, everything, all forms of battle and all fights. Whatever I know, they know. I trained them. My whole army will be the other side. He asked Arjuna, because I gave you the promise first, I give you the choice of choosing. You want me, one individual, or my whole army trained by me to do all the fight? Arjuna falls at the feet and says, oh Krishna, I just want you, nothing but you. Krishna wants Arjuna, hey, you are picking up me, but I will not be fighting in the battle. I will only be giving advice, guidance. Arjuna says, you don't need to do anything. Just give your presence, that's enough. And Duryodhana was very happy. Wow! Who wants this single shepherd fellow? Who says he will not even fight? I want warriors. And this fellow would have trained only nicely. His army. I want his army. Arjuna was also satisfied. Krishna was also satisfied. Duryodhana was also satisfied. And now starts the war. All the army standing against Krishna are trained by Krishna. All the army standing against Drona is trained by Drona. See the fun. Look at the whole fun. But when Arjuna fell into depression, he never told Krishna, see what you have done. All your army is waiting to kill you. No. He just know Krishna can't be killed. And even in the depression, he collapsed. But fortunately, his ego never supported his depression.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.
I can classify depression into two categories. Good depression, bad depression. Good depression is a depression you fall into, but your ego does not support you. You just search for answers. You are ready for transformation. You are ready for the master's words. You are ready to do anything. You are ready to stake at anything. You are ready to go through anything. Bad depression is a depression. You are depressed, but your ego strongly supports your depression and you think you know the solution. You are not interested in going through anything. You just want to go through what you want to go through. First few sutras itself, first few verses are itself giving a clear climax of the war. Even though the whole Krishna's army is standing against Krishna, Arjuna is not telling, hey Krishna, see what have you done? Now destroy all of them to save me and to save you. No. But here, Duryodhana is hurting Drona, saying, see, you are a disciple, is standing against you. Kill them to protect yourself and protect me. If you do a psychoanalysis on Duryodhana, Drona, Arjuna, you will see the whole picture clearly. I will do the psychoanalysis study and give you the exact mental setup. Of each person in this whole scene. Understand? Here is Krishna, Arjuna. There, Duryodhana and Drona. It is Duryodhana's decision of war is forced upon Drona, but here Krishna's decision of war is being imbibed, internalized by Arjuna. Understand? The decision maker is powerful enough to do the strategy planning. Who is the decision maker about the war in Pandava's side? It is Krishna. He wanted the war, even though he tried his best to act for peace. The decision maker and strategy planner are one and the same in Pandava's side. But unfortunately, the Kaurava's side, decision maker is Duryodhana, strategy planner is Saguni, executor is Drona. Poor Drona, what will he do? All the useless weapons are given, and this poor Drona has to execute it. The Saguni, strategy planner, is not able to create enough weapon, tool to execute his plan. Decision maker is Duryodhana, strategy planner is Saguni, executor is Drona. All three of them carry a deep hatred and vengeance against each other. Saguni is there to destroy Kauravas. Duryodhana is there with so much of anger against Drona. Drona is there just to die as early as possible so that he has finished all his duties towards the king who gave him food and the shelter. There is no coordination. In all crimes, invariably, there will not be any coordination. Understand? Because criminals are agitated. When they are agitated, they miss many major points. Pashyaidam Panduputranam, seeing the sons of Pandu and their army. He is using the word Mahadinchamu, great army. Actually, this fool does not understand. He is having 11 crore people. 11 Agroni Sena. Pandava side is only 7 Agroni Sena. Please understand. Where is 11? Where is 7? But when you are filled with fear, whoever you see looks like enemy. When you are filled with fear, enemy happens outside, not inside. You see enemy outside, not inside.
Discover the power of Kundalini Awakening at Kalpataru, a unique full-day transformational program blessed personally by rare living incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. What is Kundalini? Kundalini is the tremendous potential energy hidden inside every individual, which can be awakened through initiation by an enlightened master. Once awakened, Kundalini has the power to transform every area of your life and bring you health, wealth, success, joyful relationships, and spiritual enlightenment. Harness the power of meditation and initiation. Experience a glimpse of Kundalini awakening at Kalpataru. Manifest your destiny. Every weekend at Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru.
Please understand, when you are filled with fear inside, you don't see the enemy, you don't calculate about enemy inside, you just see the huge enemy. Your logic to calculate the number loses its power. He says, Magadinchamu. O Drona, see. Great army. Means this shows he is frightened. He has lost the logic to calculate. And he says, see, your disciple, your intelligent disciple whom you created is teasing. Drishtadyumna, who is Drupada Putra, waiting to kill you. He is leading the army. See, the whole thing starts with agitation. So naturally, Duryodhana rubbed Drona from the wrong side. Now Drona is only upset, imbalanced, depressed. Duryodhana is thinking by depressing Drona, upsetting Drona, he can make him violent. But an executor needs more balanced intelligence to execute than violence. Cool, calm, relaxed. It will all be done in time. It is all happening properly. For execution of any strategy, you need balance, not anger, agitation, violence. Here, Drona is rubbed from the wrong side by Duryodhana. He says, "O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu arrayed for battle by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada. Pashyaidam Panduputranam Acharya Mahadinchamam Vyudam Drupadaputrena Tavasishyena Timata." Naturally, Drona is agitated. He understands where Duryodhana is poking. He understands where Duryodhana is pointing the finger. He understands where Duryodhana is trying to scratch him. Now the pus oozes out with anger from the Drona. How it oozes out? What is going to be Drona's reaction? Let's see tomorrow.
समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी
आपूर्यमाणम् अचलं प्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यत्